Hello students, this is chapter 9 Soil. Soil is the one of the most important natural resources. It provides encourage to the plants and supplies water and nutrients. Soil is essential for agriculture and agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter to all. Polythene bags. Polythene bags are in plastics pollute the soil. They are also kill the organism living in the soil. Therefore, we demand to ban the polythene bags and plastics, other substances which pollute the soil, and a number of waste products, chemicals and pesticides. Layers of soil. The layer of soil first is a humus. The rotting dead matter in the soil is called the humus. Second, water. The moisture absorbed by the layer of humus and clay. Clay. The clay made up of a clay soil. The layer is made up of a clay soil. Sand. The sand consists of some particles. And next is gravels. The layer consists of small stones and big particles. Weathering. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks by the action of the winds, water and climate. This process is called weathering. The nature of any soil depends upon the rocks. Soil profile. A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. Each layer differs in texture and color and depth and chemical composition. These layers are referred as horizons. Horizon A. Top soil rich in humus. Horizon B. Harder and more compact. Horizon C. Lump of rocks, cracks. Horizon D. Bedrock, hard and difficult to dig out. Soil. Soil is a mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. Types of soil. Soil are classified on the basis of properties of various sizes. Example, sandy soil or clay soil. Sandy soil. If the soil contains greater portion of a big particles, it is called a sandy soil. Example, sand. Clay soil. If the proportion of a fine particles is relatively higher, then it is called a clay soil. Example, river soil or black soil. Sandy soil is the light and well aerated and dry. Clay soil is heavier and have less air and hold more water. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of a sand and clay and another type of a soil particles known as a slate. Slate occurs as a deposit in the river beds. Loamy soil is the best the soil for growing plants, water holding capacity and is best for in loamy soil. Percolation rate of water in soil. Percolation means amount of water hold capacity in minutes. Formula. Percolation rate is equal to amount of water upon percolation time. The amount of water is in milliliter and percolation time is minute. Moisture in soil. Moisture in soil means how much water a soil can hold. Suppose weight of soil is 50 gram, initial volume is U milliliter and final volume of after the evaporation is V ml yani milliliter. Then weight of the water absorbed by the soil is U minus V gram and 1 milliliter of water has been weighed equal to the 1 gram. Percentage of water absorbed is equal to U minus V divided by 50 into 100. Soil and crops. Soil is affected by the wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These are climatic factors. Clay and loamy soils are the both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. For paddy soils rich in clay and organic matter and having good capacity to retain water are ideal for pulses. Loamy soil are required for cotton. Sandy soil or a loamy soil are required for crops such as wheat are grown in the fine clay soils. Soil erosions. The removal of the lead surfaces by the wind or ice is known as erosion. Plant root firmly bind the soil. In absence of the plant, soil becomes loose. So it is removed by the wind and flowing water. Erosion of the soil is more served in areas of little or no surface vegetation. So to stop the soil erosion, deforestation must be prevented and afforestation is increased to make the green areas. You may download the solution and notes of the chapter from the description link given below in description box.